Standing here on the workshop floor, you immediately notice how compact and focused the machine layout is. Tube cutting and expanding machine. Cutting and end expanding are not separate processes, but a continuous processing equipment. We can see that the entire equipment, including the cutting and flaring units, is designed around a linear conveyor, reducing the need for intermediate handling and human intervention. Once the machine is powered on, it moves directly into its preset operating cycle. No complex preparation. The rhythm is already defined. The tubes are fed in at a steady pace. Each movement feels controlled, deliberate, setting the reference for everything that follows. Cutting happens smoothly within the flow. Tube ends come out clean and consistent, without extra trimming or manual correction. Immediately after cutting, the tube end is expanded. The forming force is even, and the result remains consistent from piece to piece. Finished tubes exit the machine naturally. The cycle repeats with the same timing, without visible fluctuation. From single pipes to continuously produced finished products, the length is consistent, the ends are uniform, and the flaring is stable. This is precisely the practical value of the integrated pipe cutting and flaring process in mass production. On the factory floor, stability is not a feature. It's something you can see in every cycle. This tube cutting and expanding machine delivers integrated cutting and expanding, ready for real-world mass production. Contact us to see how it fits into your production line.